Welcome back to Old Studio Car, where we dive deep into the icons of the road and bring their stories back to life. Today we're talking about the 1950 Ford Custom, a car that didn't just roll onto American streets, it helped shape an entire era of post-war automotive design. This is a model that blends nostalgia with surprising capability, and even today it turns heads wherever it goes. So let's explore its updated exterior restorations, its performance, what you can expect from its maximum speed and fuel average, and of course, the price you might pay to get one of these beauties into your own garage. When you first walk up to a fully restored 1950 Ford Custom, the design hits you with pure vintage charm. The rounded fenders, the thick chrome bumpers, and that unmistakable bullet nose grille give it a presence that modern cars simply can't replicate. Many owners today update the exterior with fresh chrome plating, high-quality paint jobs, and refinished trim pieces that make the car look like it just rolled out of a 1950 showroom. Popular color choices include deep navy blue, classic jet black, and rich burgundy, all of which highlight the car's curves beautifully. The two-door and four-door variants both share that classic profile, but the two-door coupe tends to have a sportier feel. Modern restorers often add subtle upgrades like LED bulbs inside vintage-style housings, fresh wheel caps, and white-wall tires that complete the iconic look while keeping everything authentic. Even with updates, the exterior stays true to its heritage, elegant, bold, and unmistakably American. Under the hood, the performance of the 1950 Ford Custom still surprises many classic car fans. Originally, it came with either a 226 cubic inch inline-six or the more popular 239 cubic inch flathead V8. The flathead V8 is the heart and soul of the driving experience, offering smooth power delivery and a deep, warm exhaust tone. It's not a modern sports engine, but it has a character that makes every drive feel special. In a restored model, many owners rebuild the engine to ensure reliability, upgrading components like the carburetor, fuel pump, ignition, and cooling system. With these updates, the car runs more consistently and handles daily cruising far better than many expect. Handling is typical of the era. Soft steering, a comfortable ride, and a bit of body roll in corners, but that's part of the charm. The hydraulic drum brakes get the job done, though some restorers upgrade to more reliable modern brake cylinders for safety. As for maximum speed, a well-maintained flathead V8 can reach around 85 to 90 miles per hour, which was impressive for its time. Most owners today prefer cruising speeds closer to 50 to 60 mph to preserve the engine and enjoy a smoother ride. If you're curious about fuel economy, the original figures hover around 14 to 18 miles per gallon. It's not efficient by modern standards, but for a 1950 V8 powered classic, it's right in the expected range. Some tuning and carburetor adjustments can push it a little closer to the higher end of that range, but no one buys this car for fuel savings, it's all about the experience. Now let's talk price. The value of a 1950 Ford Custom varies widely depending on condition, originality, and level of restoration. A project condition car might cost around $6,000 to $10,000. A nicely restored or well-maintained driver usually ranges from $15,000 to $25,000. High-quality restorations, especially with a clean flathead V8 and spotless exterior work, can run between $30,000 and $40,000. The good news is that the 1950 Ford Custom holds value well, and buyers often view it as both a passion purchase and an investment. That wraps up today's deep dive into the 1950 Ford Custom. Its timeless styling, durable performance, and iconic American character make it one of the most beloved classics of the post-war era. Thanks for watching Old Studio Car. If you love vintage machines and the stories behind them, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us again next time.